Hey guys, welcome back to the Data Boy channel. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the union and the union all. This is the second video in the intermediate section in the MySQL series, MySQL Mastery series. So now, we're diving into the union and the union all. Two SQL tools that help you stack data sets on top each other are union and union all. These are the two SQL tools that help you stack when you want to stack data sets on each other. Do you get? So we spoke on joins in the last class, and then we talked about it at length, and we said the join tables side by side. Okay, we use the inner, the outer, the left, and the right side by side. Now this union and union all, they join it. They join data set top to bottom. You get the combined tables top to bottom. So it is very important for various things. Probably you want to merge data from multiple branches. You want to combine data sets from different years. You want to check or append monthly logs. You want to consolidate customers list. You get what I'm saying? And then you want to merge transaction tables. You want to show duplicate, and either you want to show them that you want to show duplicate transactions, or a same customer making different transactions, or you just want to show the transaction of a single customer. So you can use it. So let's get into it. Now, what is union? Union allows you to combine results from two or more select queries. So you want to combine their results from two or more select queries vertically, not side by side like the joins. Do you get what I'm saying? Vertically on top of each other. Do you get what I'm saying? So now we'll start by we'll create a table, two tables rather. We'll create two tables, name table A, table B. Okay, and then we'll assign data into it. Create table, let's name it table A. Table A, okay. And then what do we do? Okay, we want to create the table A. Alright. Okay, and then we'll say student ID. Okay, let's say student table. Student A. Okay, then student ID. First ID. So the ID should be what? Primary key, auto increment, and then what should be an integer. Okay, and then the name should be character, varchar. Okay, 50, just 50. And then age should be character as well. No, integer. Yeah, integer. Then come here. So this is to have created table, and then also table B, student B, same thing. Alright, let's run this. Okay, table created, and then we'll run this as well. Table B created. Alright, now let's insert into table A. Okay, just the name. Okay, and each. Okay, values here. what should be the values? Let's say first name John, and then age 20. Okay, second should be Sarah, age 22. Then let's copy this and insert into table B. Let's run this. Student A does not exist. Table student A doesn't exist. Why? Oh, I wrote student, students. Okay, let's go. John, unknown column, John in field list. Why? Unknown column, John in field list. I didn't say it should. John in field list. Oh, so what I missed. Silly me. Sorry about that. Forgot to code this. Code Sarah. And that's the same thing we'll do. Let's run it. Alright, done. Now let's take this to, let's repeat one. I'll do something. I know why. I know what I'm doing. Let's choose mic. Alright. I think we're good to go. Put 25 here. We're good to go, I think. Let's create this. Alright, done. Now let me select my two tables. I run this. Can you see my first table? And then this is my second table. Okay, we are good to go. Now, what did we say about union? Union allows you to combine results from two or more select queries vertically. It combines it vertically. What does union do? Union removes duplicates. It keeps only the unique rows, and then requires both queries to have the same number of columns, compatible data types, ID for integers for integer, characters for character, decimals for decimals, and they should be in the same order. So that's literally how it works. And then for union all does the same, literally does the same thing as union, just that union all shows the duplicates. It doesn't remove duplicates. Do you get what I'm saying? So literally it keeps everything, makes it faster, and then best for large data sets. Also used when duplication is expected, like in transaction. I told you in transaction data set, when they want to see the same person but multiple transactions made. Do you get? And then you can use it in probably warehousing and all of that. We know that, so we know the difference now. Okay, now I want to use union. Okay, we use union. We say select notes. You have to, for union, you have to select the same number of columns you want to join with in the same data set. So data set A should have the same number of columns as data set B, so long you are using union. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's literally saying select name and then age. Okay, select the name age from the data set for student A, from student A. Okay, then in union select name as well, so they have the same data sets, the same data type and all of that, from B. Okay, and now use union all. I also use union all. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay. Let's mark it here. Union. Then here should be union. Okay. Alright, this is fair. Now let's see how the union will be. Can you see now? Union just joined John, Sarah, and Mike. Although Sarah, I think, appeared in both tables, appeared in the first table and then in the second table. Now, union all will show Sarah twice. Do you get what I'm saying? That's literally it. You get. So now, if you try joining, like I said, there are rules to this. If you try joining just age with name and age, it will show you error. Just see what I'm saying. For both union and union all, that's literally what I'm saying. Error codes. Let me write error codes. Okay. Now, if you just say name to tell you that they must be the same thing and name age, this will show you a blatant error. Boom. Can you see? The use select statement have a different number of columns. So that's one thing you should note. Do you get what I'm saying? They must be the same number of columns. And then they also must be the same number of column order. The same column order. Even if the type matches, it must be the same column order. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's like telling me you're now bringing age here. You want to bring age here. Do you get? And then you want to say, you want to do this. It will work, but you know, why is this working? Why is this working? Do you know? Yeah, it worked, but look at your data set now. It's not aligned. Do you get? Now, it worked, but then look at your data set. Age, under age, you have name. So to tell you how wrong it is, do you see? This doesn't look right. So that's literally what I'm trying to say. This is not looking right at all. So I think I'll do this and then thing. Okay. Put the first error code and the second error. Yeah. So these are error codes. Do you get? So and the data sets must be compatible as well. So integer with integer, character with character. Do you get? So that's literally how it is, or else it will show something like this. So that's like throwing error as well. So that's literally what I'm saying. So we now know the difference. We know that union removes duplicates, okay, and the union all shows duplicates, yes, and you know the union. What does union do again? Both of them are literally the same thing. So they are literally the same thing, just that one keeps duplicate and one shows duplicate. So where and when do you want to use union? Union you keep when you want to keep the full for union all, when you want to keep the full details, the full logs. Do you get? You show union all. But if you don't want to, you just want to show unique values, use union. So union all is literally faster because it shows everything. You can literally get everything and use for. But if you want to do data cleaning, you must use union all. You must use union. I mean, union is best for data cleaning. Do you get what I'm saying? So, and then raw reporting, like if you want to just report data like without any unique values, without any returning any unique values, just reporting data the way you see it, what you use is best to use union all. Do you get what I'm saying? That's for raw reporting. So in a nutshell, that's literally the difference between both of them. So in a customer data set, we use union and union all frequently, and although not really frequently, but then they are very essential. Do you get what I'm saying? They are very essential. Do you get? So you know the rules and you know everything. So now let's say um I have two tables, okay, and I want to append like two transaction tables, and I want to append one probably a transaction in January to a transaction in February and March. You get what I'm saying? and I want to show one person twice, one person transaction, one person's transaction, not returning unique values only. Do you get what I'm saying? If there was a duplicate transaction, I want to let it show duplicate transactor. I want to make it show. Do you get? So where duplicates are allowed, but if you are removing duplicates, there are like instances like probably websites or emailing where you want to remove duplicates. Let me say you have the same email in probably Instagram and then in your website, and you want to just choose one since it's the same email, so you use union. So things like that. So they're very very essential. So you can even combine them. You can use them anyhow you want. You get what I'm saying? You can combine a customers table to a non-customers table. Play with it. Do you get what I'm saying? So just literally, or then you can also add. You can also order by. You can also add order by. But then there is something you should follow. The step union, union, and union all with order by. Okay. Now this is wrong. Let me show you something. Error codes. Let's say you want to order by age. Okay. From this thing, I want to order by age. Order by age. I want to order by age. Order by age. And then you see it throw an error. Why? Because you cannot put order by before the union. Do you get what I'm saying? You cannot put order by before the union or even in the union. The order by should come after the union. It should come after the union. Correct code. Correct code. Should come this X. Sorry. Let me even say this was not. Why? So it should come in. As you can see. Now run this. This is sad. No, I'll just do this. This okay. Now running this should give you nice. This is nice. As you can see, it's ordered it by age. This is ascending. Let's do descending so you can see it. So it ordered the union by age, as you can see, starting from 25, 22, 20. So you can use order by. So that's literally what it does. So union shows unique results, remove duplicates, and the union all keeps everything. So both queries must match in column counts, their order, their data types must be their column data types jigget must be the same thing. So we use order by only at the end. So union all is literally for cleaning, and then union is for cleaning, and the union all is just for raw analysis if we want to just show you get. So I'll just type a quick notes, quick summary. Okay, let me just say one union. Okay, I'm just do this. Okay. So union is for unique results. Now this, it removes what duplicates. Okay, we know about that. Then union all. I think I should capitalize all this. Should also do this. Okay, union all is for this, keeps everything. Let's just say keeps everything. She literally shows duplicates. shows duplicate. So it's literally faster. Okay, and we know that both queries, sorry, what am I writing? Both queries must match in column count, and then type, and then probably order. So they must match in column count, the same column count, the same column type, then they must have the same column order. You get? So you can use order by, yeah, trying to form a note here. Use order by only at the end. Do you get what I'm saying? So, and then what again? Say union is for cleanliness. Okay, am I cleanliness? Yeah. So we use union for cleanliness. Literally used for cleaning datasets, and then we use union all. For raw analytics. You get, return what you see. So something like that. So now we know the difference. Okay, so this is like a quick summary of everything. You get what I'm saying? So thank you, God bless. So remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to always receive updates from me, like my videos, and engage. They really encourage me to make more videos. So thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Bam.